Got it here, another Battlebox. This time it's tiny. Sometimes they come really huge. So let's see what we got this time. Mission 74. I paid for the most expensive premium, this little brochure, what we'll get, and it actually tells you how much it would be going for retail. So anyways, first of all, we got it here some kind of canister durable water repellent spray. So that's kind of cool. I have put to the test few gadgets like that. I don't really care about it because it's kind of hefty to bring it with you camping or like for survival station. So might as well maybe bring like a waterproof tarp that is already water repellent, completely waterproof. What else we have here? A10 adapter wallet. So there's a pretty unique wallet. Interesting. I don't really care about wallets like that, but some people will like that kind of stuff. So there you go. There is instruction how it works, but again, that's just not my thing. But anyways, let's see what else we have. Looks like a bandage, but this one is pretty unique. For temporarily external use to control bleeding. So some kind of really awesome pad that is, I guess, that stops bleeding. Oh, check this out. I have a whole bunch of this. This is one of those fire starters, strikers, and they unspin open. Pretty awesome. Rip Clean Go. What is this? Wow, it says clean your teeth anytime, anywhere. That's something I never seen before. We always forget about hygienes. So if you cannot bring a toothbrush with you, you can bring a whole pack of this things in here. And the date is good till 2024. And it just says swish it in your mouth. And so yeah, it's just some kind of powder. Let me put it over here. Maybe it's a dried toothpaste or something, but anyways, there you go. Powder activates without water. So that's why I like buying this subscription box. Sometimes they give you very unique stuff. So this is one band-aid for really big wounds. I actually showed it to you before. I'm not gonna open it. It's pretty much, as you can see, you put a band-aid on and like tighten it up so that when big cut gets together. I think in this brochure it actually shows you what it's going to look like. Yeah, right here. You see how it covers up and gets together the wound. Oh, there is instruction for this little thing. So I have showed it to you one of those band-aids before, like zips up the cut. And last one, Fox Edge. So this is $100 knife over here. That's what it says in the brochure. Let's see what it's all about. They always have at least one knife inside of the box. And most of the time it's a quite nice knife. Check this out. Do you see how smooth that is? Handle is very nice. As you can see, it's a little pocket knife with a pretty nice thick decent blade, and it's sharp. Obviously you can sharpen it up quicker. Look at that. Flips it so well. And if you worry about it's not, just give it a little flick like that, and that's it. If you collect a bunch of knives, you can resell them in the future. Sometimes they go up in value, or if you don't use them and don't beat up and scratch up the blade or the handle, at least they will retain the value. But including inflation, if you sell it in 10-20 years, chances are you will be selling it for more money. That's why I like knives, because it's almost like investment. Another form of it anyways. People say, oh, why would you buy gold and silver? What you gonna do with it? Well, guess what? In a survival station or like apocalypse, we will need tools, knives. There you go. There's a good way of prepping yourself, stock up on tools like that. So definitely like this box. Got another knife by Fox. I really like that knives company. So also very unique bandage over here, and the tape that closes the wound together. So going into my first aid kit, have lots of this kind of stuff from all over the videos. Also really like that toothpaste without any kind of toothpaste or toothbrush, but I doubt I will be ever using that. but still might stick it into my like food survival thing for the emergency. And probably will never use this wallet, but I still like it. A lot of people use them, so yeah, just not my thing. I'm not a big fan of these metal wallets, they're kind of heavy. But yeah, another pretty awesome Battlebox box. So let me know in comments below, what do you think?